I don't know, at some point probably your WeedWacker wouldn't start. Well, I had this WeedWacker for more than 10 years, and usually now this wouldn't start. So what I would want to replace in that case is the spark plug. So what you want to do is just kind of take this, and there's your spark plug. And it's old. I hadn't replaced it for a long time, and it's probably burnt out. Okay, so use a wrench. And just unscrew this. It's loose. Okay. There. Take this out. The old spark plug. Okay. There you go, and it's, as you can see, it's all dirty and oily right there. So I'm going to replace that. So I got me a brand new replacement, which you could probably get from Lowe's or Home Depot. I got this from Home Depot or Sears or so. So I'm going to install this in there. Okay. And it should take care of the brand new spark plug, so I can install it. I'm showing you how to install one of these. It's really easy. I just thought I made a video. So see how clean that is compared to the old one. This one's dead. I had this for more than 10 years or so. I really like this WeedWacker because it lasts me more than 10 years. You can't, that's priceless. So what you want to do is just put it here where the other one used to be and just screw it in. See? Make sure there's no oils there around it. So I just screw that in. And to tighten it a bit, I use the wrench. It looks like it's already in there. Okay, we're just going to make sure. There. And recap it. Put this back. Touch it. There. Okay. And we'll test it out to see if it works. Maybe it might, maybe it won't. We'll see. What's happening? And I gotta point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. There you go. See, now we know it works. No, down here, not here. Now we know it works. And all you have to do is just replace the spark plug. And now I solved my problem. I didn't want to throw this WeedWacker away. Homelite is really a good brand as far as I'm concerned. That is more than 10 years. So I'm just going to wait till it warms up. It kind of sounds funny, but later it's going to run smoothly because it's going to warm up a little bit more. But there you go. Hope I was able to help you guys on this video. Okay, I'll see you guys again next time.